Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Nest thermostat E. In order to do this, all you're going to do is click down here at the bottom, and that's going to pull up the menu for the Nest thermostat E. And we're going to scroll to the gear icon because we want to reset the Nest thermostat E to factory defaults. Now here you're going to have all kinds of different settings that you can adjust. All you need to do is go all the way over to the end, turn this dial until you get to the very end, and you're going to get to done, and then go one back and it's going to show you reset. So that's what we want. We go ahead and click on reset. Now there are a variety of different ways that you can reset the Nest thermostat or the Nest thermostat E. You can restart it, which is just like turning on and off the power. You can reset the auto schedule, away, or account connection. But if you want to factory reset the Nest E, what you're going to do is go to all settings and click here. And this is going to allow you to reset the Nest E thermostats to factory defaults. So you're going to go ahead and go from cancel and now go down to reset and select it once again by pressing down here at the bottom. It says turn the ring to reset your thermostat to factory defaults. So we're going to go ahead and turn it all the way over, and it says resetting to factory defaults in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is resetting to factory defaults, so you missed your chance if that is not what you wanted. Too late now, your Nest E thermostat is reset to factory defaults. And I recommend doing this if you are moving out of a home to make sure all your settings are deleted on your device and you don't have any personal information on there. Always a good idea to erase that info before you leave your house. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, go ahead and give us that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, or click on any links below if you want to support us.